another day, another chance, another way, another time. So we are discussing to you all about everything that needs to be discussed. And, not even discussed, but just run over, and that's pretty much oh my goodness, man, the 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 quiz. So it's quiz can be array list. That's pretty much what I'm going to be going over. So let's get it and let's go. Because it says remove one, and the list elements pretty much start from zero. So zero, one, two, remove one. So two is gonna be removed. So it's gonna be one and three. Yes. So you don't need to mention index because it really knows what you mention in regards like index. So it's gonna be um yes, okay. Yeah. So you index and then the element. So the certain index is the certain place. It's the placement in which the element situated in. So yeah, you do that, and you have says two. So that's index for like 30. So in its place, in 30's place, you're gonna insert 50. So that's pretty much what's gonna happen. So it's 10, 20, 50, and 40. So yes. Oh yeah, I'm on a roll. Yeah. So list is already mentioned. So you just say is empty. No, nope. Empty, nope. Is empty list, nope. Is empty, yes. Oh yes, sir. So the size refers to the number of elements, in an array list. So an array list is pretty much, it's something that encases and contains the number of elements. So just check the size of the array list, not the length or count of the array list. And it's okay, not the length count of the elements, but pretty much like the size of the array list with how many elements it has, so its size. So it's an add method. So it's add something increments. It adds. So just adds one. So that's gonna be the default one. So as I said, you're just adding one, and then here you go again. So thank you very much. Yep, that's me. You know. So yeah, thank you very much, and have a blessed night. Good night, and take care. Cheers. Love you all. So yeah.